Now that we have the clues, now that we know that we're in immigration court, your mind might start racing again about thinking you knew someone who was deported, or maybe it's a happy story about someone who actually won their case. And I want that for you. It's my sincere hope that you do get legal status. But I find that it's better to focus on one step at a time, taking the first step and then the next and then the next, instead of focusing on the end result. So here are my goals for you during this course. I want you to know your legal rights. I want you to understand the purpose of every court hearing. I want you to know what is expected of you. And most importantly, I want you to take an active role in your case. No one can guarantee you a green card, and I can't either. But I can walk you through all the steps, and I can let you know what questions you should be asking. At the end of this course, you will walk away feeling empowered and ready to sit in the driver's seat of your immigration case. Because trust me when I tell you this, no one will care more about your case than you. But I'm a close second, so let's get started.